Cryptocurrency trading from Coach Miranda Miner. Watch our daily technical analysis, fundamental analysis, exclusive interviews, and everything about crypto all in one channel. Get to know more about cryptocurrency trading from Coach Miranda Miner. Watch our daily technical analysis, fundamental analysis, exclusive interviews, and everything about crypto all in one channel.
Allow me to introduce to you the one and only, the voice that introduced, pitikin kita sa ilong, isang hampas na lang ng palakol. The power of yet. Please, let's give it up to our pambansang crypto coach, Coach Miranda Miner.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath.
Isang magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, Miranda. I hope you're actually all doing well today. My name is Coach Miranda Miner and welcome to another edition of our cryptocurrency, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and everything in crypto all in one channel.
Circulation, one step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be
It's gonna be a good day, Miranda. I hope you're all doing well today.
a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be 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 a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad, feeling good in my head when I'm lost.
Alright, let's actually start our quick Saturday program for today. Of course, do not forget, Miranda.
Subscribe, like, follow, and share. Sige na please, Miranda.
Alright, our topic for today is about paano ba natin masasabayan or mape-prepare ang ating sarili sa mga massive moves. Type number 1, kung yan ang mga pangarap mo. No? This is actually a two-part series ng ating topic, which is paano ba masasabayan ang ating ang mga pagbulusok ng coin. No? And I would like to start our program at this point, Miranda, and of course our program is brought to us by
BingX, the world's fastest growing crypto app where you can find your next multi-bagger coin. Download now using Coach Miranda Miner's referral link found in your chat room and in the screen.
Okay, let's actually start our program by quickly going through sa mga sinabi ni Coach Miranda Miner kagabi. Let's actually quickly listen to what he said ng alas 9 ng gabi para bigyan ko ng konting konteksto yung pag-uusapan natin for today. Let's all listen to what Coach Miranda has said here, guys, no? Okay, let's quickly check on what he said. Let's play this. One did also the same. Diba? So basically, you're going to notice that talagang you're going to see some correlations. Now, Bitcoin and Ethereum are actually really correlated. I think 0.8 ang kanyang correlation as of today. So we're going to see pag itong, if this one continues to go and regress, si Nasdaq, potentially we can see a potential breakdown as well. Baka magkaroon ng correlated move. So nagkaroon ng 382 bounce si Nasdaq, and it can potentially become your support, pero nire-retest niya pababa. So titingnan natin, medyo maganda ba ang opening ng ating market as of today? Pag mukhang maganda, mukhang magre-recover si Nasdaq, and potentially Bitcoin and Ethereum can potentially recover as well. Let me just double check if that's the same. Alright, so sabi natin kahapon, guys, no, kapag maganda ang opening ng market, pwedeng magkaroon ng correlated moves. And yesterday, in-explain po natin ano ba ang potential takbo ng United States market. Miranda, if you're actually new to our channel, ako po ay crypto analyst, and I'm actually looking at the macro drivers of the market. So familiar po ako sa mga macro drivers, multi-billion dollar indices or indices, Miranda. So lahat po yung monitor natin. So kahapon, sabi po natin, let's all continue listening to what I just said yesterday. Same performance of our pre-market numbers. Yan. Medyo berde pa din Miranda. No? So babantayan natin yan maya. Alright, overall, what's actually your overall mindset as of today? Yan, so kahapon, sabi natin, potentially, Netflix could be a good driver for Nasdaq. So binalikan natin si Nasdaq. True enough, nagkaroon ng continuation play si Nasdaq. True enough, nag-bounce lang on the 382 area, umakyat. This is primarily driven by Netflix. Miranda, Netflix registered a whopping 8.46%. At karamihan po ng mga tech stocks, including Microsoft, Meta, talaga pong even Amazon, Google, 5.72% nagliparan po kahapon. And balikan natin si Bitcoin. Sabi natin kahapon, si Bitcoin, there should be a little bit of catalyst for this market to move. No? That's one of the big drivers. Sabi natin, kasi technically, step number 1, technically kasi, itong market na ito ay naghahanap ng catalyst. True enough, kung babagtasin natin yung pinakailalim nito, ito ay gumagawa na ng technically for Bitcoin, gumagawa po siya ng cup and handle, no? Miranda, at around 21,400 ish, no? So, sabi natin dapat ito ay bumasag pataas, and then ang pinaka-importanting linya din is obviously this particular support line, no? So, Miranda, when we saw actually meron ka din dapat ditong nakikitang support line, guys, no? So when we saw that, sabi natin, okay, so wala tayong catalyst, no? Maghahanap tayo ng catalyst kasi tumitenga si Bitcoin dyan sa gitna. So sabi natin, maghahanap ako ng catalyst, so potentially there could be a correlated move, no? Mag-aantay tayo ng alas 10 ng gabi onwards in the stock market, including in the crypto market. So, big question natin, how do you anticipate big market moves? Sulat nyo to, there is an ongoing consolidations, no? Consolidations are healthy because it resets your oscillators, no? It resets your oscillators, it gives an opportunity for your oscillators to remove its divergence. So that's number 1, no? It needs to or it should show consolidation. In the anatomy of the feast cycle, this is what you call your insulated consolidation, Miranda. Because after every trend resistance breakouts, the market should consolidate, which means that there is actually an exchange of profitable hands to weaker hands, no? So there's actually an exchange, no? Yung mga weaker hands ang bumibili sa gitna kasi yung mga nasa ilalim na nakabili, they're actually already selling at a profit, no? So what is now, puntahan natin ka Miranda. This is actually not the first time I had anticipated big market moves. As a matter of fact, yung unang-unang market movement na sinabi natin was way back January 18.
Ang galing mo talaga, Coach.
January 18, we have anticipated our massive moves. When we say massive, mga very volatile moves yan. And we're actually ahead of that, no? Ngayon, if you go to the next slide, guys, makikita mo dito na there is obviously also a reminder, no? So 22 hours ago is around 7 or 1900 hours, no? So sabi natin, mag-anticipate na ng potential movements, no? Mag-anticipate na because we are already in the apex. Okay, so sulat natin ito ka Miranda, how to identify big market movements, no? Pakisulat po ito ha, how to identify big market movements. Okay, so there is obviously, number one, sulat po natin ito, there is a market consolidation happening. There are different types of market structures, no? In this particular case, maghahanap po tayo ng market that's actually consolidating, which means meron itong the price is stopped its momentum and created a common support and resistance, basically on a sideways movement. Okay, so yan po yung unang characteristics, no, na kailangan nating malaman ka Miranda. Alright, resistance. Okay, so number 2, dapat malaman natin, we need to look for the apex or the edge of your triangle of life. Okay, kailangan mo malaman yon. Number 3, you need to look for a catalyst. Okay, what are the potential market catalysts? Sinabi ko na kanina, sinabi ko kahapon, no? Your NDQs can be a good correlated moves into your market structure, no? So it can be a correlated move sa pag-akyat po, no? Now, there are gonna be times, no? There are gonna be times when the market is not yet done. No, may ganun tayong tinatawag, no? So basically, you can identify, actually medyo pamigay na itong sinasabi ko, no? Pero you can definitely understand kung hindi pa tapos. So actually meron tayong different lecture on when to know that the market is not yet done, no? In this particular case, hahapyawan ko ng konti, no? So sabi natin, market is consolidating. There's actually a reset of your oscillators, and then you obviously have your apex or triangle of life, and then number 3, you need to look for a catalyst, and catalysts obviously are your correlated markets, FAs, okay, or an absence of an FA. No news is good news. Okay, so an absence of an FA is also a good news, no? So no news is good news. All right, so at the end of the day, Miranda, there's gonna be a time when your TA on the lower time frame can show a left hand. All right, and sometimes, you know, a left hand can obviously result into a breakdown. Okay, however, so breakdowns can happen to reset your oscillators. Flash crashes, parang yung kanina, si Ethereum, sinundo, nag-stop profit yung position ko, no? Sinundo yung isa kong position, naiwan yung isa, $1,800 pa. Pero ang laki ng hinataw ng candle, nag-stop profit ako around $500, no? So, ang laki gano'n, no? So, flash crashes can happen to reset your oscillators. Ngayon, it doesn't mean that the market can just pull back. The major pullbacks would happen if there is obviously an agreement of all different factors. Let's say there is news or very bad news, correlated market moves, apex breakdown, left hand activation. Obviously, all of that, put that into one chart that can signal a massive breakdown. But I don't think, based on the current market structure, na bigla-biglang bababa ang market na ito because dumadami yung kanyang pwedeng gawing support. Yung mga binasag niyang resistance, 21,400, the old resistance, the old lip can act as your support at this time. There could be an SNR flip there. Alright, so part number 1, ulitin natin how to identify if the market is going to create big market movements. The market is currently consolidating. Medyo mahaba na, I would like to add there. So, there is longevity, no? Meron ka tinatawag na longer periods of time, no? Longer periods of time. Tapos, there's obviously an apex. Number 3, meron kang catalyst correlated markets. You have an FA or an absence of an FA. Number 4, you have TA on the lower time frame, can show left hand. But however, your bigger time frame, your day time frames, can still show a parabolic move, okay, RSI, and or still forming a strong buy for MACD. Okay? So Miranda, pakitandaan lahat ito. These are the factors na ginagamit ni Coach Miranda as to why I consider, why am I actually very I have very big conviction on putting big positions in the market, no, kahapon. And this is the reason why sabi natin, of course nasa apex na siya, and it actually itong number 2 yung pinaka-importante dito. And normally kasi dito maraming natatalong mga traders because you're trading inside the apex. You're trading inside the triangle, no? Let the triangle finish its course and let the price break out or break down on the triangles or outside the triangle. So this is where a lot of traders medyo nawawalan ng pag-asa because you guys are trading your consolidations, no? This is actually not, to be honest, as I've said, consolidating market is hardest, most difficult to trade. Okay? A consolidating market, a consolidation is a consolidation okay. So a consolidation is a technical analysis, refers to an asset oscillating between a well-defined pattern of trading levels. It is actually interpreted as a market indecisiveness, which ends when the asset price moves above or below the trading pattern. So from a pattern perspective, yun yung triangle na sinasabi natin, no? Obviously, ito yung medyo isa sa mga pinakamahirap i-trade, Miranda. It's actually one of the hardest, no? And even pro traders, iniiwasan si consolidation. Normally, inaantay natin yung tabo up or tabo down or triangle breakouts or breakdowns, no? So, how do we, and if you guys will notice, based on the charts na pinakikita natin sa inyo, there's no magic here, Miranda. Walang magic si Coach Miranda Miner. There's the only reason why I was able to anticipate big massive or massive movements simply because I'm able to see patterns, no? I'm able to see patterns. In this particular case, you're noticing that meron na siyang binubuong bullish flag dito or bullish pennant, no? So obviously, define natin bagong term yon, bullish pennant. A bullish pennant looks like this, no? Obviously, you have your consolidation on an upward trend. You have your bullish pennant, and normally, ito ay babasag paakyat. Okay, pakitandaan to, gawin Miranda ha. When you see a pennant, it's like a flagpole. You will see a pennant, tapos aakyat, parang nagbubuo ng triangle of life yan. Can you please type number 1 if you understand what I'm trying to say? So this is the reason why, Miranda, tayo ay nakakapag-anticipate ng mga ganitong klaseng movements, no? Sabi natin, wait for big movements. Wait for big movements simply because there is obviously almost an end into consolidation because meron na siyang tatamaang key level support or resistance. Can you please type number 1 kung naiintindihan nyo po yan, Miranda? Alright, please take note of that. Alright, and this is the reason, Miranda, kung bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng mga ganitong klaseng mga profits, no? $2,000 profits, no? Even actually gumawa ako ng shorts, no? YouTube shorts on my actual wallets. You can actually watch that kahapon. I don't know if I can watch it here, pero tingnan po natin if I can. So let's try to watch this real quick. Ating updated running profit as of today, almost $2,200. And we also have running in Binance around 27,000 pesos. So halos umaabot na tayo for this profit of natin. So almost 140k. Sabi natin kanina sa mga members, sabi natin yan. So big movements to happen for crypto. 5 hours ago, sabi ko abang na lang ng P180. And medyo mahina lang yung audio, pero sinabi ko naman sa community, hindi ko naman sinarili yan. Sabi ko sa mga members, actually sinare ko din yata to sa labas, no? Sabi ko maghintay na tayo because I'm seeing potential movements in the market. So again, ulitin ko Miranda, no? Technically, no? So ito yung sinasabi din ng mga mentors that the potential cup and handle can happen. Although hindi na tumuloy pababa, dire-diretso yung handle, umakyat na pataas, gumawa siya ng tabo trade, no? In this particular case, if you're seeing pennants umaakyat, again, ulitin ko Miranda, pennants are always not going to activate, ha? May bilang yan. Okay? Pennants are 66%. I don't know kung meron tayong mga articles about that. Let me just double check, no? Are 66% win rate. Let me, actually wala yata. But based on my back testing, okay, here. Based on my back testing, it's showing 66%. Let me check kung tama yung sinasabi niya dito. Ayan. So reliable, no? Sabi dito, listen carefully, I'm not the only one saying this. Other traders are also saying the same. Your flags can give you success rate of over 66%. Bakit ko sinasabing 66%? Ba't nila sinasabi? Hindi nila ni-explain nyo, pero ako bahala mag-explain sa inyo, Miranda, because mahal na mahal ko kayo.
Ang galing mo talaga, Coach.
So the reason why it's only 66% is because yung unang flag mag-activate yon. Yung pangalawang flag pwede mag-activate yon. Yung pangatlong flag left hand na yun. Okay? So 2 out of the 3 it can work. Mas mataas pa nga mas mataas, around 88% ang win rate, reliability ng Head and Shoulders, no? Around 90% pa nga yan, eh. No? Kasi multiple yung necklines ang trade mo doon. But for pennants, yung mga flags, important na malaman yung mga ganyang patterns simply because it's always a giveaway. However, ang problema kasi sa inyo, Miranda, hindi ninyo malalaman na flag na kasi you don't even understand basic support and resistance. So ulitin ko, ha, wala po akong magic. The only reason why I can anticipate big market movements is because of your patterns. Another thing na gusto ko i-consider natin, Miranda, part of it will be part 2 tayo on Monday. Meron akong karugtong dito. Pero isabihin ko na din that hindi agad-agad, no? Kasi ano bang time frame ginagamit si patterns? Ano ba dapat, how do you now look for the right pennants? Kasi maraming klaseng pennants, Miranda. Hindi lahat ng pennant pwedeng mong i-anticipate na yun. So you need to look for how do you do that? Isang tip lang. you also need to zoom out. Okay, you need to do your zooming out and you need to do your naked charts. Okay, you need to do your naked charts, Miranda. All right, so with that said, let's now quickly check on what's happening with our Bitcoin market. Obviously, okay, ito na naman tayo. Ano bang laro dito, coach? All right, pure technical analysis tayo, Miranda, ha? One of the reasons why maraming mga traders ang medyo nawawalan ng giya is natatalo. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng konting tips. Okay. So, unang-unang gagawin natin, let's find our common support and resistance. So, technically, ang magandang laro dito lagi, tandaan nyo, when the market is actually going up, the first thing that you need to do is if you have positions, you need to wait. Bakit? Alam mo ba, Miranda, last week, sinishare ko sa mga mentors to, meron ako isang position, the price, the profit is only $800. Ngayon po, that position has $1,788. Hindi ko siya binibitawan because the market has momentum. Okay? The market has momentum. So, hindi ko siya binibitawan, Miranda. Okay? So, I'm not actually giving up this position, this one, if you will notice, simply because I believe that the market can still, this one, this 1,700, I believe that the market can still give us a recovery. So, anong ginagawa ko dyan? Ang ginagawa ko dyan, inaakyat ko yung take profit niya. But in this case, because we have 334% profit on this particular position, ang ginagawa ko dyan, Miranda, how much is $1,700 ngayon? Can someone tell me? 1,700 times 55. That's 93,000 pesos. Nakalimutan ko, nakala ko 1,000 lang yan. Grabe. 93,000 pesos na pala yan.
Ang galing mo talaga, coach.
So, ang ginagawa ko dyan, kasi last week, $900 lang yan. So, ang ginagawa natin, tinataas ko lang yung TP area or ina-adjust ko because I wanted to widen my range, no? If you are really profitable in the position, kailangan mo din, no, especially on the market with a momentum, kailangan mo rin sometimes, no? Kailangan mo din kadalasan that we need to, how to identify big market movements and ride on your profits. And ride on your profits. Okay, so this is one of the lessons that I would like to teach all of you guys for today. Please type number 1 kung meron po kayong natutunan for today.
Coach, masarap ka daw ba?
Aba, syempre naman. Masarap,
Coach, masarap ka daw ba?
masarap akong magturo, guys. Type number 1 kung nasarapan kayo sa turo natin o natatawa lang kayo. At sino dito yung nagko-cover na ng mga speaker nila kasi before naka-loudspeaker ngayon may mga babae nang lumalabas camera. Di ba? So wag tayong pasaway ha. Wag tayong pasaway para tayo napipitik sa ilong.
Coach, papitik nga ako sa ilong.
Wag tayong pasaway, Miranda. Alright, let's now move on. Miranda, that's actually that's how easy our topic is for today. Medyo iiklian ko lang yung topic natin. We have the one of the fastest live ever, no? 30 minutes lang live natin. Yun ang aking reminder for today, no? Gusto ko ituro talaga itong sikreto natin. Pero bukas, Monday, I'll go with the part number 2 nito. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, I'm sure you will also learn about part number 2. How to anticipate big market movements, no? Kasi kailangan natin to. Kailangan kumita ka ng mga 100,000. Sino dito type number 1 yung gusto rin kumita ng 100,000 pesos, Miranda? Sino yung gusto dito? Sino dito nga? Sige nga guys, can you guys raise your hand, no? Raise your hand. Thank you again to our 673 viewers there in Binance. Maraming salamat. And thank you guys for those that are doing or giving me some boxes and coffees there. They're actually giving me coffees for some reason. Thank you. And some of those coffees are worth, I think may value, parang piso yata yun, Miranda. Okay? Anyways, on Monday, I'm going to be discussing, together with the members, I'm going to be discussing part number 2 of our topic, how to identify big market movements and ride on your profits. Miranda, I would like to leave you with this message. Naniniwala po ako na wala pong imposible para maging profitable po tayo. Okay, wala pong imposible. Okay, medyo bibigyan ko lang ng konting background, Miranda. Wait lang. Ayan. So, naniniwala po ako na lahat po tayo ay dapat kailangan meron tayong level of appetite on learning, no? Okay, tanggalin ko lang yung music. Alright, guys. So, message number 1 sa mga hindi po nakasabay. Wag kang gaanong malungkot, no? Wag kayong gaanong malungkot, Miranda. This market is going to offer you again another big moves and breakout and breakdown plays. Kailangan mo lang magantay. Number 2, sa mga natalo, i-journal. Ba't ka natalo? Anong ginawa mo? Ano nangyari? What's your decision making system? Bakit ka nag-decide pumasok ng mali? What are the things na medyo nakalimutan mong tingnan? Isulat mo lahat and make sure you learn from that. For example, the market is still in a consolidation mode. Pinasok mo agad. You did not wait on a breakouts or a breakdown. Mahirap pong i-trade ang market consolidation. You'd rather wait for another re-entry wherein there is obviously another there's another breakout na potential na mangyari. Yun ang aantayin natin, Miranda. Ngayon, another thing, no, sa mga profitable naman, no, wag po kayong gaanong aligaga din. Alam ko, profit is profit, but sometimes you need not to do anything at all, di ba? You don't need to do anything at all.
Coach, papitik nga ako sa ilong.
Kasi Miranda, minsan alam mo tayo kasi pag profitable na, hinaayahan na lang natin. No? Dapat. Taas mo na lang yung take profit areas mo. Because at the end of the day, Miranda, this is gonna be one of your testimonial very, very soon. Pag talagang nakuha mo yung tamang pasensya. Okay? Sa mga hindi nanalo, sa mga hindi nakasabay, sa mga hindi nanalo at mga nananalo. Those are my messages for you guys today.
Thanks, Coach Miranda Minor.
Alright, maraming salamat. That is our episode for today. I would like to greet all of you here, Miranda, that are actually listening right now. Sabi ni Ghostpack, kumita pero nag-early take profit, kakapasok lang daw. Salamat din Benjamin San Jose, Warty Cauldron, taga Singapore daw. What are you using for futures trading? Nag-early take profit on Ape. Uy, JP, PJ, congratulations ha. Huy, si APT lumipad. Talaga nakita niyo yung charting natin dyan. At congratulations sa inyo, Miranda, di ba? Napakasarap ng APT na yon. Kailangan patient ka lang. Kasi ang gagawin mo talaga dyan, early take profit or take profit on tranches, akit mo lang yung take, iwan ka ng 50%. Tapos, iwan ka ng 50%, i-TP mo yung 50%. Ngayon, yung 50% mo, meron kasi dyang reduce only, pero hindi ko tuturo yan. Conceptually na lang sasabihin natin na 50% take profit, tapos iwan mo yung 50%, tataas mo lang yung stop loss mo. Or pwede ka maglagay ng trailing stop loss if it's OKX ang gagamitin mo dyan, Miranda. Alright, sabi ni Esther, nakatrade na raw siya nakakota for 2 weeks. Ayun, salamat. Alright, sabi ni Rodney, salamat soon, 100,000 din daw. Sabi ni Esther, quota na for 2 weeks. Good PMJR. Thank you. Alright. Okay. Always watching. Maraming salamat for watching, Drinald. Thank you. Manila Boy, maraming salamat din. Ako si Natoy, mahal na mahal kita. Ayun, pa-shout out daw, 'di ba?
Coach, bakit ang pogi mo?
Sabi ni Esther, ang patience na talaga ang mahirap matutunan, no? Salamat din. Alam mo ang daming members. Bakit niyo napasok si APT members? Halos lahat ng members nag-APT, oh. Congratulations. Galing. Congratulations. Alright, nakaka-motivate yung boses nung babae. Hala, di para ma-motivate ka. Sige na.
Subscribe, like, follow, and share. Sige na please, Miranda.
Walang dumadaan sa likod ko. Alright. Okay, Heaven's Grace, naku, negative daw ang positions niya, nalagpasan ng kanyang take profit. Kailangan nating malaman kung saan ka nag-take profit. Mark price, stop limit, trigger price, last price, anong klase yung ginamit mo, Miranda. Alright? Okay, Dibs, konting pitik naman dyan. Nako.
Coach, papitik nga ako sa ilong.
Alam mo, grabe, no? Andun pala si Poison Ivy. Ganda ng learnings kanina sa beginner. Andun ka ba, Poison Ivy? Thank you. Actually, alam ko taga-Japan yata to si Poison Ivy going to Japan. Alright, ikaw ang confluence. Oy, salamat. God will bless us more. Tama. Alam mo, Miranda, stay humble, pag magaling na, stay humble. Huwag kayo masyadong mayabang. The market will humble you down. Bakit? Kasi minsan, pag sobrang bilib mo sa sarili mo, the market is always correct, no? So humble ka pa din dapat, and alam mo, pag sobrang you're into yourself, wag ganun, guys. Naranasan ko na yan. The market will find its way to humble you down, no? Pag sobrang galing mo na, then the more that you need to be more helpful. Pag sobrang galing na Miranda, alright, the more that you need to become more supportive, no, sa ibang tao. Kasi pag sobrang kumaga pa nagiging negative ko, sobrang yabang mo, lalo nagiging, kumaga scientifically, your head becomes really occupied on many things, no? So, you cannot focus, Miranda. Alright? Okay, salamat. Shout out kay Mon, no? Thank you. And shout out din, sabi ni Eduardo, no? Sa asawa niya, si Rosemary Cueja. Yes, you can learn. Manood ka lang, for free naman ito, Miranda. Coach, yung market parang babae, laging tama. Diba? Opo, Coach, doon ako yung pa-picture po kami sa iyo, Coach, pagpunta mo sa Japan. Uy, alright. Shout out sa inyo, Miranda, sa mga pitik sa ilong. Ayan, nakakayabang minsan ang trading. Tama, dapat humble ka lang. Humble tayo. Okay? Alright, okay. With that, Stephen, I give important news. Actually, meron na akong subscription sa mga curated news, no? So, I'm trying my best to become a source of news para sa inyo. So just subscribe lang kayo sa akin, free naman yan. Kaysa magbayad pa kayo ng mga curated news. I'm paying around 15,000 a year just for that, Miranda, para at least yung mga balita ko ay medyo talagang with edge, no, as an influencer po para sa inyo, Miranda.
Miranda Minor Profitable System ata yan.
Maraming salamat. All right. Let's now say thank you to all of you, Miranda. God bless all of you. Maraming salamat po. And I hope you've actually learned in our session for today. Again, I'm going to review real quick. Alright, Miranda, quick review how to identify a market that's actually going to give you big market movements. Number one, market is consolidating. The longer it's consolidating, the better. The longer it's consolidating, the bigger the movement is. The price is currently inside its apex or triangle or pattern. You need to look for a catalyst, correlated markets. FAs or an absence of an FA, no news is good news. TA on the lower time frame can show left hand. However, if your daily time frame can still show parabolic move, RSI or still forming a strong buy for MACD, do not short or heavily short the market. Breakdowns can happen only to reset your oscillators. Flash crashes can happen only to reset your oscillators. You need to be able to know your key level support, and you can do that by doing your zooming out or naked charts, Miranda.
Ang galing mo talaga, Coach.
Alright, abang-abang din tayo next week. Meron tayong big ticket items for Microsoft. Lalabas po ang kanilang sales report ng Tuesday. Babalitaan ko din kayo ng mga pangyayari over the Monday, pero pahinga tayo, Miranda. It's actually a weekend. Enjoy your family. Kamusta nyo ako sa mga pamilya nyo. Pakilala nyo ako sa kanila. At sana kayo po ay magkaroon ng malamig at meaningful na gabi kasama ang inyong family. Stay safe and I love you. 3,000 Miranda. Maraming salamat po. Bye guys.